In this video, I'll explain how to find inverse Laplace transform of functions by the method of completing the square. See, for example, find inverse transform of this function. Now, in the denominator, there is a quadratic polynomial s square minus 6s plus 13. So, it is not in complete square form. We have to convert this to complete square form. The method is write s square as it is minus 6s as it is. Now see the coefficient of s, which is minus 6. Divide it by 2. You will get 3. Now square 3. Add and subtract square of 3. That is 3 square minus 3 square plus 13. We have added square of 3 and subtracted square of 3. Why did I do this? Because s square minus 6 is plus 9 minus 9 plus 13. This is the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is s minus 3 whole square, plus this is minus 9 plus 13, which is equal to 4. So this can also be written as s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. This is in complete square form. So this becomes inverse transform of s plus 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13. Now this changes to s plus 5 by s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Now, before finding the inverse transform, there is s minus 3 in the denominator. So, we also should have here s minus 3 in the numerator. So, for that, what I'll do is add and subtract minus 3. So that there will be s minus 3 plus 5 as it is, s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Inverse transform of s minus 3, 5 plus 3 is 8 by s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Now you can split. This is equal to inverse transform of s minus 3 by s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square plus 8 into inverse transform of 1 by s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. So we have the formula inverse transform of s by s square plus a square equal to cos 80, and inverse transform of a by s square plus a square is sin 80. And there is one more formula, that is inverse transform of f of s minus a is e power at into f of t, where f of t is inverse transform of f of s. So here s is replaced by s minus 3. So this becomes e to the power, a value is 3, e power at means e power 3t into inverse transform of s by s square plus 2 square, because the factor for s minus 3 is e power 3t, which is taken outside, so this remains, plus 8 into here a by s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square you should have, but a is 2, that is missing, so we will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So this gives 8 by 2 into inverse transform of 2 by s minus 3 whole square plus 2 square, so which again changes to e power 3t inverse transform of s by s square plus 2 square plus 4 into here e power 3t, because s minus a means e power at into f of t. So inverse transform of 2 by s square plus 2 square. So this is equal to e power 3t into cos 2t plus 4 e power 3t into sin 2t. This is the final answer. One more question here. The denominator is s square plus 6s plus 9. So it is directly in the square form. This is equal to L inverse of s plus 1 by, this is s plus 3 whole square using a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. So this is equal to, now before splitting, as s plus 3 is in the denominator, numerator should also contain s plus 3. When it is not there, you add 3 and subtract 3. Then plus 1 as it is, s plus 3 whole square. So this becomes inverse transform of 1 by s plus 3, s plus 3 whole square means 1 by s plus 3 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, inverse transform of 1 by s plus 3 whole square. As told earlier, inverse transform of f of s minus a is e power at into f of t. So here e power minus 3t into inverse transform of 1 by s minus 2 into e power minus 3t, because s minus a value is minus 3, into inverse transform of 1 by s square. So e power minus 3t into inverse transform of 1 by s is 1, minus 2 into e power minus 3t into inverse transform transform of 1 by square is t. So this is the final answer.